Let's go. And listen, first of all, you already know who it is. All right, it's your boy, Mark and Dom. I'm giving out the firest content right now. Mark my words. Take a pen and paper out. Take a pen and a mother piece of paper out. First of all, because I'm about to give the best content when it comes down to this subject, like how you start an OnlyFans, the best ways we know how people are making money on OnlyFans, without a doubt. And if you choose to do it another way, that's totally fine, but that's on you. But I'm going to give you the best way. I work with over 40 girls now between all over the world right now. No joke. We are launching our agency at the end of this month. If it's May right now, at the end of this month, when you're watching this video, if you're already past it, apply, go down below, find some more information depending on when you're watching this, but come be part of the team. And also, I'm not telling you should or should not do this. All I'm telling you is if you are going to do it, be a part of a team who wants to truly help, and the Bad Bunny agency is on its way. My name is Dominique, been in the industry for over 7 years, been in marketing for 10. Adult marketing has been always really killing it. It's kind of come out into the light, whether you're doing really, really strong or bourgeois, whatever, the industry is here and it's dope. So let's talk about this. I'm only 1 minute in, and right now, if you're still following this point, I need you to subscribe, comment down below saying let's go, whatever. Give me a thumbs up, really grow my presence, because I'm telling you I'm going to give you the best. Please have a pen and paper out. Pause the video if you don't. I don't care what you're going to do, but please make sure you go through this process. This video is going to be about 10 minutes. I don't know, but have the time. If you really want it, if you want to grow, this is what you're going to go through. I'm going to throw things in there that I'm actually selling in my course as well. But right now, I'm going to tell you the breakdown of the best way to grow an OnlyFans, what you need to put together, and that's it, okay? So, step one. Let's go with setup, okay? Let's break this down. Step one, we're talking about setup here. I'm writing it down too so I know I can see what exactly we go through, right? I have another written down, but I'm doubling up, so it's like time rise there. So step one is setup. So when you're set up, if you are not running the two OnlyFans platforms at the same time, one paid, one free, you're missing out, and I'm going to explain why. And if you don't want to do it and it's too much time for you, that's okay. You don't want to be in this business model because it's working. There's both ways you can do it. But if you're just now starting, I'm going to explain why this works for you. So write this down. You need two platforms, one free, one paid, okay? Okay, so there's benefits on the first one. The free one, here's the benefits of the free one. You never lose the ability to conversate with a client or potential customer of yours on a free page. You don't. When somebody is done subscribing to you on your paid page, you never get a chance to message them back. So a free page, the benefit is you never lose a subscriber. That's powerful for the long distance of your business. The long distance, being able to win customers back, remarket. There's a power in that. Okay, the free platform does one thing that the paid platform doesn't. It lets you lock videos on the wall. Okay? It lets you lock videos on the wall. Second, I think that's it. No, that is second. That's it. Those are the two benefits of the free platform. The paid platform, then it allows you to have a residual income subscription base, and then it allows you to also sell videos. So the way that we put together the free page, I'm going to express it to you this way, break it down. The free page, let's go with the basics really quickly. The cover photo, the bio, and the picture are the only three things you really have to sell, so do them right. Make them lighter photos, so therefore you can be seen. Okay, and it's not dark because usually they're on their phone, so you want to have a little bit brighter photos so you can be seen, so you can sell the fact that like maybe they want to come in just off of that part, right? That's a hard bit, so you want to do it right. Bam, when they come in, the first thing you do on a free page when they come in is they get a welcome letter, okay? If you don't have a welcome letter set up, please set a welcome letter up. Write that down. Write a welcome letter down. The welcome letter does two things. The welcome letter gives them an opportunity to get a free, this is what we do for every single one of them. I'm telling you right now, for our best content, it says we give them an opportunity to upgrade to the subscription paid one to get a free video. Okay, so they subscribe to the subscription, they get a free video automatically. Okay, so that's the deal. You get them from the free, they get an automatic message. They go, if they don't want to, in that message, you also give them an opportunity to purchase a video right then and there, one of your best videos, but at a higher price. So what I'm saying is right now, even if your subscription for your paid platform is at $25, right now you have a deal in your welcome message for $5. And if they don't want to do that, they can buy your video right now, your best video, your best whatever you're selling for $15 right there in that message. Gives them two choice. If they're one of those one-time sporadic buyers, they want it now, or if that person's like, oh, I'm going to be here invested, I'm going to spend that $5, right? There's that difference. You make both. One is the residual of a monthly. The second one is a chance to make the fast cash right when they come in. That's why those two platforms work very well together, okay? Straight fire, all right? I'm not joking right now. If you understand what those two things do, keeping your customers is super important, getting them to the paid one, you're able to win your customers back with your free platform. That is how it is ran, okay? Two things, right? You want to have the fastest growth possible. Once you set up those two platforms, the way the platforms truly work is through Telegram. You can find all this in my course down below if you truly want to learn how to make more money on OnlyFans, how to set it up, how to do it. In my Fast Track program, we teach you how to get in there, how to use it, how to build promotions, and really start making money. My agency doesn't do anything really, really special. We just do the work, execute it beautifully, and that's how I look at it, is you're going to know everything I know through my course, everything we adjust, everything new. All of my course will be there for you for only $25 a month. I'm telling you, it is 100% worth it, period. So you have your free subscription and your paid subscription now, and those two work together in tandem. You always give away your free because it's not frictionary. They're just like, oh, I get to try something for free. On your wall, you get to lock posts that are adult content and get to make more money there. A lot of the people who are on the top make a lot of money, as in having both platforms. Let me show you something, because I also will talk a lot, but I want to show you that this stuff is actually real as well. Sorry, here we go, bam. I want to show you that there is a lot of things happening on the back end that you necessarily don't see right now. So let me pop into one of my Telegram groups. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to go into my Telegram group because I know it's appropriate. And I'm going to show you all the groups that are around, right? So basically, here we go. Let's do it this way. Is it this way? Let's swip to this way. Okay, so basically, this is what we consider promo groups. If you think there's something you don't know about the platform, there is. I spent the last year and a half being on this platform, understanding how these groups are populating. I think like literally 80% of the income coming through OnlyFans comes through these groups. And some people are training you in these groups for like $900, and you get to learn all this stuff right now for $25 a month, and you only get us to get more, better information and get you better opportunities in this industry and make it affordable for any model to come out of nowhere. If you never want to use social media at all, you're able to see these little platforms right here, click on them, go in there, do shout out for shout out. Girls who are super popular on the OnlyFans, giving out fans so you can buy promos, do shout out for shout outs on OnlyFans. Not on Instagram, not on Twitter, on OnlyFans. I feel like I've said that so many times, but people have mistaken that. The best way to grow is to do OnlyFans, shout out for shout out. It's a new way, it's a little bit of style, different how you do it, and that's what my course teaches you, is how to do it directly. Okay? If you're already doing it and you're like, I want to join your agency, I'm killing it, you can join my agency, apply, and then get a hold of me and like, hey, I applied, I'm really in it already, I already know what I'm doing, I just need help committing the actual activities of growth. That's how we consider it, okay? So let's go back to chatting about this platform, okay? So let's go into that. So that's the setup. Like, that setup is so important. We're 8 minutes into the video and we're talking about setup here. So if you stuck this long through the video, I'm telling you, your chances of being successful is way better, because I know you're really trying to learn. If you haven't, and you don't even know. So it doesn't matter to speak to you. But the ones who are here, let's check this out. One thing I want you to do, if you click down below, is like, let me know things that you want to know. My $25 course gives you the chance to ask questions, and we're responding and trying to get more and more content every single day. We're trying to make it where you can flip the dime in a day and change the game, okay? So please, if you jump in my course, know that it's a work in progress, but the progress is going to be done like bam. So if you're watching this video, probably by the time you watch it, it's already a couple days in, and we're already in it and getting it done. So those two platforms are the number 2 ways to grow it, okay? And then the best way to do it is to do Telegram shout out for shout outs on OnlyFans. I just showed you. It's a whole world you don't even know about that you have to understand how to do it, so you don't get in there, you don't lose your money, and you don't make bad bids. That's what my course teaches you how to do it. I say it's worth it, but long story short, if you jump in and you don't want to keep paying the membership, you can cancel it yourself. I don't hold anybody account. Let's do it. I don't care. I'm providing the best content out here. It's your boy, Mark Dom. I'm telling you, okay? This is how you grow your platform. That's the fastest way. Social media makes you really, really big. It allows you to, grow without the hustle automatically as you build a brand, and that's what my team wants to do, work with people who want to build a brand. And I know you hear that squeaky, man. I hate that noise. I'm so sorry about that. So I appreciate it. I'm gonna keep it at 10 minutes. I don't want to go too long. Please comment down below anything else you want to know. Like, if you watch my videos and I haven't given you that information and you're like, this is what I want to know, can you drop a YouTube video about this? go into it, right? If you want to join my free course down below, make sure you do hop in, say hello, and get to know my team as we start to build out the best content, period, for adult models in the industry, period. For models, period. Individual, independent models coming across the platform trying to sell something. We're going to be the best. And you're going to see us in 10 years and be like, I remember that day. Marketing went on. Totally mark my words. We will change the game. All right. I'll see you later. I appreciate you. Subscribe to the page. Till next time.